This project was generated using Django.NET for WinForms. Django.NET is a software program that generates source code for C# database projects. It supports multiple databases including MySQL and SQL Server. It takes care of the repetitive data management code that would normally take hundreds of hours of expensive programming time and effort. This could translate to thousands of dollars in savings, give you the time to focus on more critical business logic, the confidence of having a high-quality code base that has been time-tested by thousands of users over and over, and the efficiency of making the best use of your time, rather than reinventing the wheel. It is a very productive application oriented to commercial software development, which makes it ideal for developing applications in record time, and with the flexibility of being able to retouch the source code if need be. The hardest part of developing a tailored business application is making schema changes after you start using it. This is almost always met with resentment from developers, takes a long time, and costs more, even when using agile techniques. Django.NET makes it very easy to make changes. Adjust your database models, or tweak Django options, validation and appearance of your app in a few minutes, then regenerate your app to instantly see the changes applied. You're free to innovate and prototype confidently, knowing that you can easily make large or small changes anytime effortlessly with Django.NET. Download Django.NET today using the link in the description below to get early access lifetime license. Thank you for watching.